This is a 2008 Infiniti M35. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a sunroof, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, variable valve timing, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Not to mention that this Infiniti qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Doral Hyundai for your next vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 10285 Northwest 12th Street in Doral.